Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, so this street says Rua de Inácio Baptista. So something about, I looked up Inácio, I just can't really find the word. It seems like it's maybe an older word that they use in Portuguese. But I'm kind of getting like the rule, the street of the Rua of the Baptist or something like that. A little bit interesting. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up this street and kind of show you what it looks like, and then we're also gonna go down a little bit and just kind of show you, because it starts over there where that green is at. So stay tuned for this street right here. Inácio Baptista. I'm going to put this up on the map. If you're Portuguese, let me know what Inácio means. Baptist, it's like, I don't know, I'll probably talk about that in the video anyways. But anyways, I'm going to put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And then I'm going to do a 75-second music video so you can enjoy kind of a preview of it. And by the way, I also come across some temple stuff, so some people know that I'm interested in that. That's in here. And so the preview, and then we do the walk and talk. So, and let me know what that means. Inácio, I'll be asking about it in the video as well. And I really want to know.
I'm in the car, it's been a while. I want to see you, you make me smile. Hello Macau, oh how have you been? I really want to see you, oh my Macau. Oh my Macau, it's good to see you now. And I know I'll see you again. Oh my Macau. And I know I'll see you again. Oh my Macau, I'm looking at you Macau, wanting to see more of you. Oh what am I to do? I'm looking at you again. Oh my Macau. That's my Macau.
Okay, so let's go down a little bit. So we're gonna go down, and this street actually starts on this kind of unusual corner right here. So let me just kind of capture some of this, and it actually goes, it's a really sunny bright day today, right there. So that's the start of Rua de Inácio Baptista. So we're gonna go up our street a little bit. So yeah, right where it starts is kind of a big kind of conglomeration of different streets and buildings. So that's gonna be our target street. That one is kind of parallel and it kind of goes down. Then this one goes down to the marketplace, and then this one goes like around in a kind of a loop, like in a U shape. So let's go to the shady side of the street. We kind of look down again. Do a little bit of a 360 here before we go up. Some interesting plants up at the top of that rooftop up there. I've seen those trees in Koloan as well. So let's go on up. And then right here you can see some pretty interesting buildings. These are kind of typical height around this part of Macau. And then to the way up at the top, there's extremely large building way up there. You can see it. And one of my friends said that you can actually have access to the roof. So he's been up there and it's just talking about the view of that building up there. We'll probably get it from a different angle. Check out those circular windows right there. It's kind of interesting to see. So let's go down a little bit more. Yeah, I'd like to know what Inácio means. It's like something of the Baptist. And it's not John, which is Joao. So it's something Rua de Inácio de Baptista. One thing about this particular street is this is where, let me just kind of come across real quick. Huh. This place used to have used to be a little small business, but now it's like something different already. Haven't been on this street in a little while. So now you can see this particular building. And what I was going to say is this building used to be, this street used to be where George Chinnery used to live, which is a famous watercolorist in Macau from the 1800s. So let's go down and take a look like that. It's got some pretty tall buildings on this side as well. Some nice rooftops up there too. Okay. So we go down this side. And then we even have a little lane with the same name. So that's called Travessa de Inácio Baptista. So we got Rua to the right and then the lane to the left. Let's go up to the left. Oh yeah, I haven't been up here in a while, but they have some projects. So that's actually I think an architectural firm, and they have that beautiful building right there, that beautiful one. And we're gonna walk all the way into this. I think this actually might go around in a square. We will find out shortly. So this is part of our street. We have a little alley right in here, so we're gonna go down it. And we'll discover everything that's Inácio Baptista, which is the street, and this lane. We'll see if there's anything else with the same name. So yeah, no shortage of kind of cool stuff in Macau. These little patios. This is they're calling it a lane, but it's more like a patio. These are everywhere. I think that might be the wealth. I think that's the god of wealth, I think. Is that the god of wealth? Oh. Is this the wealth god?
This is I don't know the English name.
Yeah, I see this one everywhere.
The Choi Sun.
Choi Sun?
Yes, this is a Chinese name. May translate. This is a god.
God of wealth, okay, yeah. Choi Sun.
Yes.
So they say Choi Sun.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So that's kind of cool. So that's actually Choi Sun. So yeah, actually, there's a viewer who is looking at some of my videos, and he will Nacha, and he will often let me kind of educate me a little bit, because a lot of them I don't know. So he showed me two that I filmed in Zhuhai, which was Sao, and then the other one you said was God of Wealth. So so I'm actually learning. So I actually remember that. I remember what he. That's one of my things that I'm really interested in, is understanding them better. So that was kind of cool that that I actually remembered that one. We got a few more here too. So I think we have Hua Yin, and then Tu Di Po and Tu Di Gong, which is the left and the right of Hua Yin, those three right there. And then I think these are Hua Yin or Mazu. Maybe correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm trying to learn. And that one, I see these everywhere, but this one is the one I see the most commonly, especially policemen, fire departments. And they call it like a god of war, but it's not really about war. I think it's about something a little bit different than that. But yeah, that's a really beautiful shrine though. And a lot of times they'll have these shrines in the alleys, so they're for like the neighborhood. Okay, so straight ahead is the church. I think this is actually the seminary side. We're gonna come up on it as well. So this is the Travessa, but we're gonna go back to our Hua. And this is actually the seminary. And we're gonna go around like this. We're gonna go this way. So our street is around this corner, so we're just gonna capture it on the shady side of the street. And I'm gonna come into this little plaza, and then we're gonna go back to where we were. But I just wanna highlight this right here. So there's San Lorenzo church right there as well. So you can see that up there. And then we're in this nice little plaza right here with a ship. Then that's our target street over there, next to these kind of cool looking green buildings right here. So we're gonna go back to our target street. Chow San, I think you said Chow San, right? So now we're back again, so we're back to our street. We kind of went up that one alley. Oh, she's speaking in Vietnamese. So there's a lot of different people. The woman that walked by is speaking in Vietnamese. I'm going to talk about that in a second, but I was surprised. Recently I heard that Macau Vietnamese population is something like 3%, which is about the same as the Filipino population, which is quite a bit more visible. Okay. So I'm referring to the woman that's walked by on the phone. I could hear her when she walked by. Ah, actually this looks even better when I go this direction. So yeah, this is Inácio, Baptista. Marmitas come. So we are gonna walk. I think I'm gonna walk and check out that Marmitas real quick. But I'm gonna walk around this corner to where we deviated, which was this one right here. So we went up there, and that's and so that's the street that we just walked up, which looks kind of cool from this angle. Looks actually more interesting. So I'm gonna just come back down for a second, and then I'm gonna go back up in a moment as well. So yeah, this is this whole street right in here. I guess there's also a little bit of a park in here too. I'll just kind of walk in real quick. It's when I finish this whole street. So yeah, there's a little small park in here as well. So you can actually exercise in the park as well. Okay. So yeah, no shortage of interesting places in Macau. And we're just gonna walk over to that Mamacitas. We'll just kind of get by this. And then we're gonna end up here. I just want to see and show you what this is at the end. It's like a little, looks like a Macanese, and it's like something like Mama something. Marmitas come. So this one has Macanese food. So you can see what some of that looks like. Okay. So let's end it for our video. Hope you like that one. Street of Inácio Baptista.